Every great loaf begins in the orchard, long before sunrise. Farmers handpick only the ripest, most flavorful fruit.
From field to factory, the journey begins within hours of harvest.
Every piece of fruit is thoroughly washed to ensure purity. Smart sensors sort each fruit by size, color, and ripeness. Precision cutting transforms whole fruit into perfect pieces. Fresh fruit is gently folded into rich, golden dough. Every batch is blended to the perfect balance of flavor. The dough now moves toward the heart of the bakery. Each loaf is shaped with careful, consistent precision.
In gentle warmth, the dough slowly rises to life. Skilled hands add the artisan details machines cannot.
A delicate glaze promises a golden, glossy finish.
Every loaf now carries its own signature craftsmanship.
In the heat of the oven, the magic finally happens.
Slowly, lowly, each loaf turns a rich golden brown.
Fresh from the oven, the aroma fills the entire factory. Each loaf is sliced with care, ready for the world. Sealed fresh, every package locks in the flavor. From factory floor to delivery truck, ready to travel. The result? A loaf bursting with real fruit and flavor. Every day, millions of fruits find new life in every loaf.
From orchard to oven, crafted fresh, every single day.